When choosing aluminum for structural parts, many buyers ask one key question. Is 7075 always stronger and better than 6061? The answer might surprise you, and choosing the wrong alloy could increase cost or cause machining problems. Both 6061 and 7075 are widely used structural aluminum alloys. They're commonly used in machinery frames, load-bearing components, automotive and aerospace parts, and industrial equipment. However, these two alloys are designed for very different engineering priorities. First, let's talk about strength. 7075 aluminum is one of the strongest aluminum alloys available today. Its tensile strength is almost twice that of 6061 aluminum. This makes 7075 suitable for high load and performance critical structural parts. However, higher strength does not always mean better performance. 6061 aluminum provides balanced mechanical properties, making it strong enough for most structural applications, without excessive material cost or processing difficulty. Next is machinability and fabrication. 6061 aluminum offers excellent machinability and weldability. It is easy to cut, weld, bend, and form, which makes it ideal for complex structural assemblies. 7075 aluminum, on the other hand, is harder and more brittle, welding is difficult, and machining requires stricter process control and higher tooling costs. Now let's look at corrosion resistance. 6061 aluminum has better corrosion resistance, especially in outdoor or humid environments. 7075 usually requires surface treatment, if corrosion resistance is a key requirement. Cost is another important factor. 7075 aluminum is significantly more expensive than 6061. It also typically has longer production lead times, due to stricter processing and quality control requirements. So, which aluminum alloy is better for structural parts? Choose 6061 aluminum for general structural frames, welded components, cost-sensitive projects, and outdoor applications. Choose 7075 aluminum for high-load structural parts, aerospace components, and applications where maximum strength is the top priority. We supply both 6061 and 7075 aluminum in extruded, machined, and forged forms. If you are not sure which alloy fits your project, send us your drawings or application details. Contact us via WhatsApp or email for technical support and quotation.